Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we want to find this one and this one. Now we have this equation in here. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the chain rule. So that means when we do first derivative like this, we need to do first derivative of f of s. Later that inside of this one, we continue doing first derivative f of s. That's why we can use about the chain rule in here. And now we need to change s into number 9. So f of number 9, that is about 14. This one, first derivative of f at s equals to number 9, that is about number 5. So I will put number 5 in here. And this one, that is about this one. So we have number 2. And we have number 10. So I will put number 10 gone here. Now let's go to the next one. We have 3 of s. So for this one, we can apply the power rule. So we have y equals to capital A to the power of n. So if we do first derivative, we have n a to the power of n minus number 1. Later that we do first derivative of capital A. So for this one, we have 2 capital F of s to the power of 2 minus 1. So we just have f of s. Later that we do first derivative capital F of s. Now we need to put number 9 gone here. So we know that this one we just calculate, and that is about number 10. Now we have capital F of number 9. So we put number 9 gone here. F of number 9, that is about 14. F of number 14, that is about number 2. So that this value in here is about number 2. So we multiply three numbers together and we have 40. And we need to write 40 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.